And I mean, Einstein would be an interesting example because it's like he's got this bias towards things should be relative. He also has a bias towards like God should not play dice, right? And it's almost like you want to make sure that you don't accidentally have all of your LLMs are Einstein because you might halt on quantum mechanics progress, right?
Which actually goes to show you that there's not a correct heuristic for science.
Exactly.
You actually just need multiple independent research programs with their own heuristics.
Yeah. And that feels like old school software, right? As long as you're able to like describe that in some way, you have like old school software that like amplifies that entropy in some way. And if you're able to like put a clear ontology to the distinct ways of thinking that you want to prompt, you like explore that full ontology, and then each individual one, runs off doing what it is. But I think there's a certain design question there on like how exactly do you describe like the different approaches. The easy one is, are you trying to prove it or disprove it? The harder one would be to say, what are all the tactics that you could take to prove this, and make sure that you're like sufficiently applying sufficient breadth to exploring that.
I don't think people appreciate the kinds of things that these models can just go handle for you when you equip them with a good harness like Cursor. For example, I started publishing my episodes on Bilibili for a hopefully burgeoning Chinese audience.